Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to another Binance user. So first of all, open the Binance application. Now tap on the Wallets or Assets tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. By default, you will be on this overview section. So you will have to tap on this port in the top. Then you will have to tap on withdraw. After that, it will show you all of the coin list that you have in your Binance account. So you just have to select that particular coin which you want to transfer or send to another Binance users. After selecting it, you are going to tap on the second option which says send via email, phone number and ID. Just simply tap on it and you can send it to other Binance user. It is easy and it's instant. Now over here you need to enter the email address or the phone number or the account ID of another Binance user. After that you need to enter the withdrawal amount. Then you can add any note if you want to, or you can even skip it at it's optional. After that you need to tap on the send button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to review all the details you have mentioned previously, and if everything looks okay, you have to tap on the send button and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.